So it's almost summertime and the truck market is absolutely hot. We're excited to get this brand new 2021 F-250 ROUSH edition. This is lithium gray color. It's absolutely stunning. It's going to be the last year this color is offered. We love it. Glad to have a lot of our new ROUSH trucks back in stock and available for you guys. I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here at Reddick Brown Ford. We're America's #1 Ford Performance Specialty Vehicle dealer. Let's check this truck out. ROUSH did a great job. They don't overdo it. Still going to get your factory 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty plus ROUSH's 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. You've got hood graphic here, replacement grille with this new, I love this new design with the 2 LED lights. As soon as you turn your lights in the on position, you're going to have all the lights light up, driving lights. The Super Duty headlight is gorgeous. So this truck, you'll see it coming from a mile away. ROUSH lettering up front. You've got your front facing camera, tow hooks, plus they've got the bumper cover in the lithium gray. So they don't overdo the front end, but I'll tell you this, lowest warranty claim rate in this industry, highest quality, so they're high quality, even down to the material and application and installation of their graphics, to their lift kits, leveling kits, superchargers, you name it. ROUSH, best in the business. They're using a General ATX, it's a 325/60/20 tire. They went to the General tire line back in, I think 2019, 2018 or 19 on the F-150 side. Went away from Mickey Thompson. The General is really performing and great. So great ride quality, not any vibration, you don't hear any road noise. That's a 20-inch satin black wheel. So good looking wheel that they've done, they've selected for the F-250. Now, something that's a little unique about this truck, this lithium gray paint was hard to match on the Fender Flares. You've got 4-side Fender Flares. Typically, you can order this in a painted to match, and it's most colors you can. They didn't match, but I'll tell you, the contrast with a lot of the black badging and the flares, the wheels, I really think it sets it off with this lithium gray. So you've got the telescoping wheels. It also got the side mirror spotlights as well. So these will telescope back and they'll also fold. ROUSH lettering, graphics. We don't do too much. You know, I've stopped ordering a lot of the splash graphics, the heritage graphics, so we just kind of keep it simple. You've got the ROUSH lettering right here on the rocker, and you've got the fixed running board as well. So keyless entry, you got a door code that comes with it that's inside. You can make that change from the factory setting on the card to whatever you want to use. We'll take a look at the rear. American flag on both sides of the box. So on the bed you've got American flag here. It does have blind spot information system, so your side mirrors are going to light up when you got somebody in your blind spot. One touch, depress, releases the tailgate, spray-in liner from the factory. It's got your LED box lighting, so you've got a switch here, it's a button, powers on your box. You can work at night, you don't have to have a key with you. Light up the top of the cab, so if you need to do some things at night, you can. It's got box link too, so box link is a system allows you to kind of use some eye cleats and some other aftermarket pieces if you need to store luggage. If you've got tools or equipment, you can do that. I like the subtlety of what ROUSH has done here. This is a 6-foot box, and we do install tonneau covers. We keep those whether you want a trifold, you want a roll and lock, you know, sliding, or if you want something that's powered, we can do that here too. So great option. Tailgate step straight from the factory from Ford. Easy 1, 2, 3 step here. So easy to put down as well. Doesn't take up a lot of room like the old trucks did where you had the tailgate step in. And it's really light as well, so it's not too heavy. Take a look at this other side. You've got a side exit exhaust, you know, dual heads here for your exhaust. One thing I didn't tell you, you do have clearance marker lights on your Fender Flares. So help you if you're, you know, kind of in some tight spots or you need that additional lighting. But overall, beautiful truck. The inside of the cab is extraordinary. I'm going to show you that on this 6.7 liter V8 turbo diesel engine. This thing's an animal. It's over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. high 400 horsepower. You'll feel it if you're sitting at 60, 70 on the highway. Step into it, you'll keep pulling. We'll take a look at the inside. So the donor F-250 is a 608A equipment package. So it is a lariat package. A lot of people ask what do they use. It's a lariat. Black leather seats and 10-way adjustable on the driver's side. They're heated and cooled seats in the front, heated in the rear. You got your ROUSH lettering on the headrest, so they changed that out. Steering wheel, leather wrapped, nice steering wheel. It's got heated steering wheel as well. This core heats up really hot in the winter. So for those of you that are in, you know, those conditions where you get snow, ice, freezing temperatures, this thing will light up. It's absolutely great. ROUSH changes out the gauges here, so you've got some changes in your RPM, your speedometer. Real cool with a squared R look. They also badge it. This is number 278 out of the Super Duty lineup, so 278 total. Center stack screen, it's got navigation, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi capability. You've got an analog control for your climate, and you've got a digital, so you're, you know, whatever you decide you want to do. You've got a Sirius XM radio subscription that you've got. You got a free trial for that. I encourage you to use it. This does have adaptive steering. It has lane keeping assist. And it's got the B&O stereo system. Sound quality is insane, so great sound quality. Twin panel moonroof. For those of you that are big fans, we just option them out like that. You know, it's something that we do, and ROUSH really takes a lot of pride in doing. It's also got the rear sliding glass as well. You got 6 upfitter switches that you're able to use here. One of the things I'll tell you too, so this is a roomy cab. And I'm a big dude, but this is a lot. You get a lot of headroom in it. The ride quality is absolutely wonderful. So you got great ride quality, great use here. You know, you can talk hands-free, so it's got Bluetooth. So if you need to make calls while you're on the road traveling, you can do all that. Also option this out. This has got ROUSH's toolkit, so there's a tool bag in there for those of you that need stuff. If you're going to use this, maybe construction site. Maybe you're going to be a weekend hauler. If you need to tow with it, this does have the high capacity trailer tow package. So this thing is an animal, whether you're going to be towing maybe landscaping business, or you got your boat, or you got a car that you're going to trailer on the weekend, this thing is built for it. Big fan of what ROUSH does. They keep the price point right, and I love to help you out. So Super Duties are limited right now. Truck market is hot. If you need me, call me 615-397-3331. You can text me, same number, 615-397-3331. Love to help you out. PattersonBrock@gmail.com. We're here to help you. Make sure subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notifications, because we've got a ton of new trucks coming in over the next 60, 90, 120 days. Like our video and let us know, what do you think? Should Ford keep the lithium gray color? We love it. Let's hear from you.